everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a Dollar General fall decor. So the first thing they have is this metal 3D pumpkin with LED lights that are wrapped around it, and it's run by double A's, and they are $6 each. They also have these large aluminum sunflowers. There's two different styles and they are $5 each. You can also get this fall garland, which has leaves, pumpkins, gourds, and acorns for $5 each, or these large animal flowers. They are $3 each, and they have leaf bunches with flowers on those, or these bags of vase fillers for $3 each that have acorns, pine cones, mini pumpkins. They have these foam pumpkins for $1 each, similar to Dollar Tree, as well as the flower bunches, which are $1. You can get these floral clips, which come in red, green, blue, and yellow. They are $1.50 each, or these sunflowers with the pumpkin centers for $1 each, and they also have the decorative table leaf scatters for $1 each as well. You can get these plastic containers. There's two different ones to choose from, and they are $3 each, and they have these wooden boxes. They are $6 each. They have the welcome one and this one here with the pumpkin cutouts. They are really cute. They have these metal boxes. The orange one says Happy Fall. The white one says Welcome Friends, and then they have this dark green one that says Give Thanks. They also have these little nautical rope handles on either side, and they are $5 each. These large decorative throw pillows like Bless This Home and Welcome Fall are $8 each, or you can get the mini pillows for $2 each. They have the scarecrow, this one that says pumpkins. They have the little truck with the pumpkin in the back, and then they also have this one that says Bless This Home with the fall leaves around that, and they come with a hanger. They also have these owl kitchen mugs. They have them in orange, green, and white. They're 16 ounces for $2.50. Then they can get the glass drinking jar. This is a green fox or an orange owl. Comes with the lid and the straw. You can also get these large burlap door hangers. They have two different ones to choose from, and those are $6 each. Then you can get these little mini milk cans. They have them in red with the twine bow, and they're $5 each, and you can also get this orange one with the twine bow and similar sayings on the outside of that. They have pot holders, different ones for $1 with different fall pictures on the outside of those, and then they've got these kitchen towels for $1, a bunch of different ones to choose from, lots of cute ones for fall. I really like the turkey playing football. They also have, so these are all the microfiber kitchen towels. Now you can get the embroidered fingertip towels. They're smaller. You get one for $1, and they are all embroidered. They're really nice. They also have, they're like a terry cloth, or you can get these ones. They're a little bit larger. They're like a regular size kitchen towel, and they have several different ones of those to choose from, and those are $2 each because they're a lot larger than the fingertip towels with the embroidery. And then if you get these ones, these are a 2-pack, which are $4. So they're $2, you know, basically a towel, and you get two in a pack for $4. Up next, we have these really nice rugs for the front doors. They have several different ones to choose from. These ones are $5. They're quite large, nice and heavy. They won't blow away. I really like the style of them. A lot of them had like that farmhouse feel. And then they've got these tapestry rugs, which are $10. They're a lot larger than the doormat ones were, and they had several different ones of those to choose from, and it said they can be used indoor or outdoor. They have these throw fleece blankets for $5. They had two different ones to choose from and those, and then these glitter placemats for $3. They also had the cloth placemats. They were $2 each, and they only had one style of that to choose from. But then they had these tapestry runners, which were $5 each, and some of them had sayings. The sayings were in the middle. This one says Hello Fall. They also have this one, and this saying on that is Bless This Home. And then up next, we've got this one with just a bunch of like fall harvest pictures on the on this one, and it doesn't really have a saying on that one. Then they have these PVC free vinyl tablecloths. They had several different ones to choose from in the fall decor with those as well. I believe I found 4 different ones of those. Then they had these really cute large scarecrows. They're stuffed. They're $6. They had a couple different ones to choose from, so you can get different color schemes. They had like the green, red, or orange hat. They had different style hats on as well. And then these are like a tin or like a metal scarecrow hanging for the front door as well, and these were also $6. Now these cider house milk jar candles, they are $5 each. They also have the large candles with the lids. They're also $5 each, and they had several different scents for the holidays, like pumpkin pie. They had the caramel pecan pancakes and things like that, cinnamon roll, apple, creme brulee, like all those different kind of scents that you would think of for fall. These are a triple candle. They're also $5, so you get 3 different scents in those. They had a bunch of the scented wax melts for $1, or you can get the larger ones for $2. They even had these really cute little shaped wax melts for $1, or you can get 2 scents in one, and they were $3.50, but you get 24 wax melts in those. I absolutely love these. These are a cast iron skillet candle. They're $6 each. They had the pumpkin pie, the apple pie, and the vanilla crumb cake. And you can use the skillet after the candle is all gone. These are smaller candles for $1, and then these larger ones with 3 wicks. These are $3.50, and it's a rather large candle for the price. You also can get these air fresheners for $2, or similar to Dollar Tree, a bunch of these little picks and scarecrows for the yard. These are metal. They have the scarecrow that says welcome, the owl that says autumn. They also have the turkey that says welcome, and the pumpkin that says welcome. And there's a little yard picks where you can put them in flower pots. They had these large wooden tags. They were $5 each with a nautical rope hanger, and the little pumpkin on the front is metal, and it has a bunch of different like monogram letters you can choose from. Up next are these wooden farm trucks. They had the blue that says blessed and the red and that says give thanks. They're filled with like hay and little pumpkins and things on the back, and they were $5 each. They also have this table decor for $10. It's a metal pumpkin filled with some little pumpkins and things inside there. For $2.50, you can get these owl shelf sitters. They also had these little wooden pumpkins. This one says thankful. They were $2 each. They had 2 different ones to choose from, and they're printed on the front to look like burlap and gingham. They also had these pumpkin clips for $1. You can put them on wreaths and things like that. There were 2 different ones of those to choose from, and they were really cute. These, surprisingly, are only $3 each. They're a large metal sign that look like a truck, and you can hang them on your front door. They were rather large, so I was surprised they were only $3. They also had these mason jars with the twine and the little metal tag. They were about 1 inch thick. They were $3 each, and there was 2 different ones to choose from, and they're covered in a printed burlap on the front. Then they have these 3D pumpkins. They were $5 each. You can get the orange with the brown glitter, or this cream colored one with the orange glitter on the front of that. They had these really cute little stools for $4 each. The sunflower says give thanks, and they also have a pumpkin that says welcome. I thought those were really cute. Up next we have these really cute give thanks scarecrow signs. They were $3.50. They were really cute, hand painted. They had some burlap on those as well, and there were 2 different ones to choose from. And this large scarecrow shelf sitter would be perfect for those little stools that I just showed you. Then they had this really cute shadow box for $2. They also have some other items that they didn't show. I saw this sitting out. It is just the magazine that shows where everything sits. So I'm going to go back to Dollar General and see if they put the rest of the items out. So there will be a part 2 to this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.